welcome to our today's class. In the previous class, we looked on how to load. We are saying we can put a hashtag and say loading, which put data which is in the package of the old ledger. We've said that you have to install that package for you to be able to work with. Today's class now will focus on exploring. What is to explore is to manipulate the given data. What do you need to do rather? You type str into brackets, then you put the wage to data. What is the importance of this one? We can just put some note and say we ensure it's to ensure we've picked the correct naming or the correct naming. And with that one, we also would want to type my question mark winch. And what did we say this one is for? With the question mark which 2 into brackets, we are saying that this is now description. We want to describe the wage 2 data. And the description as to just to see what it's there. Then the other thing we also need is to ensure that we get the names of this data wage to data. See, let's try to run the first codes. The string we get, you can see if that distribution of that shows the variables and shows the observation, and in every observation what it's contained. If you enter that one, we're going to get we ensure that this is the given the data that we have. What about when we control enter that one? We have the names of that variable. The most important thing is, what if we want to interact with one of the variables? We write summary into brackets and with 2 data. Remember, we have to control, then we put the $sign. We pick one of the variables, maybe education. Let's summarize education and see. We come and show I like copy pasting so as to ensure that I capture the given name. Remember, we said R is case sensitive. So let's summarize this variable called edu. And you've seen here from the console here that the mean, the first quantile, the medium, the mean of the education of the given wage group and so forth, and so many other things. So we've learned how to load that data. We've explored it. The next thing that you continue to do in the next class is to explore more. How can you get the standard deviation? How can we get the mean? What's the best way? What if we want to see the relationship between the wage group and also the level of education? For me, it's a bye-bye until we join in the next class. See you.